At my favorite Müller store in Austria, I came across a set of Jaxon Fine Artist Watercolors. It's a small metal tin with 12 pans. I loved how compact and attractive it looked, perfect for traveling. I usually paint with brands like Schmincke, Van Gogh, or Winsor & Newton, but I'm always up for trying something new. So I filmed a quick unboxing. The packaging is quite nice, and inside there's a solid metal tin with the pans all ready to be unwrapped. Of course, the sound of the crinkling paper caught the attention of my parrot, who was hoping for a treat. I gave him a few seeds to keep him happy. I'm always excited to try out new paints. I was curious to see how they would behave on paper. Right after unboxing, I tested them out to see how they performed. And they definitely do the job. The colors are vibrant, and the selection of shades is really interesting. If you use a lot of pigment, you get fresh, bright, almost poster-like colors. However, you can easily tone that down by mixing them or layering. With just these 12 pans, you can achieve a huge tonal range, from bold, vivid colors to neutral, muted tones. The paints dissolve easily with just a bit of water. The set is so compact that I can easily imagine taking it outdoors to paint on plein air. The color range is versatile enough to capture a wide range of subjects. As a quick test, I painted this chameleon. It's not a masterpiece, just a little color study. Thank you for watching! What did you enjoy about this piece, or what would you change? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.